I'm so grateful that after 17 grueling months of waiting on city approvals, sourcing architects, interviewing contractors, and buying so many little fixtures for my house, we're days away from moving in. Today, not only am I going to show you the complete house tour, but I'm also going to set up our cozy master bedroom. Let's start with a DIY plant gallery wall. If you want to know the step-by-step on how I made this gallery wall, just watch the peaceful tutorial on the HOOGA Shop's YouTube channel. I'll link to the video in my video description. All of the materials are linked over on that channel as well. I hope you'll enjoy the peaceful DIY. Today is an exciting day because I get to unbox and experience the mattress of my dreams. The Dream Cloud Premier in king size. Look how quickly it inflates as soon as it's out of the box. It's got handles on both sides, so it's super easy to move around, even though it's a huge king-size mattress. They seriously thought of everything. My first impression is that the plush Euro top is super luxurious, and the scallop detailing is beautiful. I got the 6-layer memory foam and inner spring coil hybrid for the extra support. And look how supportive it is. I'm literally sitting at the edge of the mattress and it's still holding up its shape with ease. This already feels light years ahead of my current mattress. John and I are very picky with our mattresses, so we don't like to change it up too often. But as soon as we read the specs on this one, we had to try it out. So far, so good. I'll leave a link to the Dream Cloud Premier mattress in my description below. You know, as I'm setting up this cozy mattress on the floor type of vibe, I'm reminded again of how I started my YouTube channel. If you went back to my second video ever, I started the video by waking up on a mattress on the floor. It's amazing how in just 3 short years, my life now looks so completely different. Back then, I was freshly single with my own bachelorette pad in downtown LA, making devotional videos on YouTube. And now, I'm a married woman with my own house. But I guess the common denominator is that I'm still making devotional videos on YouTube. On one hand, I am incredibly grateful to be John's wife and to own a forever home with him. But on the other hand, I really had to wrestle with this change in my identity and lifestyle. To be realistic, my line of work is unique in that it ties very closely with my personal life. The people who watch my videos know about my past trauma, my testimony, my relationships, and even my living space. Now that everything is so different from when I first started my channel, there is a very valid part of me that worries I won't be able to share as much anymore to protect my family. But on the other hand, John and I do view this house as a blessing that's meant to be shared with people, whether online or our friends in person. As I tread this fine line between sharing too much or too little, I pray that God will continue to use me however He sees fit in order to bless His people. No matter how many things change in my personal life, one thing will always remain constant on my channel, and that is to convey the sweetness of God to all people. Now that the bedroom setup is done, let me show you our completed master bathroom. The dual shower will always be my favorite feature in any bathroom. It's beautiful and functional at the same time. As for this vanity, we custom fabricated the marble top to match our kitchen island, but I think I'm also gonna replace the knobs. What do you think? Finally, we have the little water closet. I'm gonna do a makeover for that on my Instagram in the near future, so follow along to see the final result. In the master sitting area, the electric fireplace is finally in. It looks so clean and minimalist. I love it. Downstairs, you've already seen the completed living room, but oh well, I'll just show it to you again. All the beams are smoothed out so it looks more modern, and the aluminum bifold doors let in an extraordinary amount of natural light. Here's what our garage and laundry room currently look like. The doors are so cute and they complement the space so well. And here is a look at my future office. I'm so excited to install a built-in shelf and finally set up my pottery wheel again. I miss playing with clay so much. Here's the view of my office from the entryway. Down the hallway, you can see that the powder room is still as simple as ever. I promise I'll get to this makeover eventually, just still a little traumatized from the first attempt. And here are my linen closet French bifold doors. They're freshly painted, so I'll have to scrape off a few splatters here and there, but overall I love this color. It's called Hail Navy by Benjamin Moore. On the other side of the linen closet is the guest bedroom. I can't wait to host my friends and family in this room. Even though it's empty right now, the light fixture, shaker-style doors, and beautiful doorknobs make the space feel way more elevated than before. Next, we have the completed guest bathroom. I'm so proud of this space because it's inspiring and creative, but still peaceful and relaxing. You can actually watch the full makeover on my channel. It's just a video before this one. Finally, we have the future home gym. I think what really stands out in this room are the window treatments. The farmhouse-style trims look so beautiful against that afternoon sunlight. Not to mention, there's now this huge storage closet for all of our future workout gear. It used to be a door that led to the backyard, but I'm so glad we sealed it up. I really hoped you enjoy the complete home tour. Now that I have this huge canvas to create in, you can expect a ton of makeovers and DIYs on my YouTube channel and Instagram. So please like this video and follow me for more peaceful content. I'll link to all the makeover materials in my description box below, including the Abundant Life devotional journal. See you again soon.